Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and this is going to be a quick little video. Allergy seasons is happening over in this household and everybody's allergies is going crazy, and honestly I haven't done this since before I had a baby. So I am taking down all of my curtains and I am going to wash them. So if you are in any type of motivation for early start of spring cleaning or whatever, here's your sign. Clean your curtains. If you have allergies, clean your curtains. It holds on to dust. And yeah, you'll notice the difference. Clean your curtains, people.
Gotta flow like a river, but you won't find one that's cleaner. No stunt double, I do my own tricks. I got hits on hits, this like my bat flip. Mind on my money, low where my palm itch. Took the slow lane cruising, now look we all rich. I hop out the car, leave the motor running. Why you always talking like you know son?
In between of me washing my curtains, I am going to clean up this kitchen. But first I'm going to need coffee because I was not ready. I just was not ready.
$10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Could never take a hand out. New cars, bigger house, everything was planned out. 2020 hindsight, noticing how I panned out. Never did too much, never wanted to stand out. Spent plenty, in my 20s, no place empty. God sent me, keep it thorough, this not trendy. Don't tempt me, on the edge and I'm sick. See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit like Tyson. I am who I am, never tripping, I just stick to the plan. And if I trip, it's to a beach, I put my toes in the sand. Silly.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe.
And now that they are done, I am just going to put them back up, my daughter is helping me. You see her wagging the broom. This part of the video is kind of dark because of my windows being open.
Something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you?
Yeah, and then I'm just going to finish cleaning up the kitchen. And I had to kind of stop to help my son. So, yeah.
What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
And this is where I'm going to leave you guys. I'm just going to refresh my pig's cage. I did not clean it in this video because I didn't have any bedding. And about like two or 3 days later, I end up cleaning their cage. So I did not record it though. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and peace.